So this is the opening of S24 Ultra. Just got it now. Yeah, that looks good. Nothing else? No data cable, nothing. No, there is data cable. That's type C both side. What else is inside? Nothing. Just to take out the cell. That's it, nothing else. All empty. Yep. So you just get data cable with it, nothing else. It should be all dead. It was sitting outside and it's cold outside. I like this color though. Yeah, it's turning on. And this has flat edges. I have S22 Ultra. They have curve edges. Video next. So setting up this is a little bit, I don't know the Wi-Fi password and stuff like that. So I will be setting up later. So I did order something else with it. And that is Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So while I was pre-ordering the S24 Ultra, so this was on 50% off. This should be 47 mm. Looks nice. It's almost a year I didn't wear a watch. I used to have Classic 3, but the glass break on that, I don't know how, after 3 years of use, but now it's Classic Watch 6 if they gave the charger and everything with it. It's not turning on. So what do we get with this? I can see the data cable on this. Same USB type C at the bottom and then the charger for the watch. There's something else in this. Booklet. That's it. Yeah, that's it. So I don't know. There's a charging on watch or no, because it's not turning on, and I don't have Type C USB port. Because the last charger I had, they had what we say, that other port on the socket. So I don't know what this one's. I have to find something. Thanks for watching.